On 23rd January, Bengaluru hosted the 2025 Design Awards, celebrating the creativity and talent of young fashion designers. The event took place at the JD Institute of Fashion Technology and focused on the theme Live in the Moment. The runway came alive with a variety of unique designs, each telling its own story. Designers took inspiration from different themes like esports and gaming, Japanese philosophies, sustainability, and avant-garde art. Some collections explored cultural heritage, skate culture, and the blend of urban style with nature, featuring bold cuts and creative patterns that impressed the audience. The event was attended by media professionals, academicians, and industry leaders. It gave new designers a chance to showcase their work, meet important people in the industry, and learn more about the changing world of fashion.